Hey everyone, it's Christine here, and I wanted to talk a little bit about pacifiers. Whether you have an infant or a toddler who has an unhealthy or an unhelpful pacifier habit, there are some tips and tools for you to use to help make it easier to remove that pacifier association. It's important to remember for all ages that pacifiers are one tool in our toolkit for children to use for calming and settling their nervous system and going into sleep. They can be really helpful for newborns to extend naps, but many parents notice a point where pacifier usage is not helpful. Usually it's when wakings start increasing at night or naps get shorter because babies need you to come and put the pacifier in over and over and over again all night long. So when sleep starts to suffer and protest increases, then we know it's time for that pacifier to go away and for baby to learn some other ways to calm their own nervous system and get cozy, listen to their body, and go to sleep. I recommend avoiding confusion with an infant. So that means rounding up all the pacifiers, letting them go in one night, and utilizing some other calming strategies for baby. One of the most helpful things is to do your bedtime routine, sing a song, lights out, baby transitions into the crib with what I call heavy hands, one hand on the belly, one hand on the head, with sort of a gentle hug between the two to help calm the nervous system. If that doesn't work, putting baby on their side with one hand on the belly and another hand giving a little back rub or a pat while you shush or hum or sing can also be another way to calm the nervous system. If they're wanting their pacifier, it may take longer than you might like, but stick with these new techniques and just keep reminding yourself and your little one, I know that you can find new pathways to calm. I know that you can listen to your body and rest. When it comes to toddlers, it's a little bit different situation, and oftentimes taking away the pacifier can involve a lot of guilt for parents and a lot of shame on the children. Many parents try to use rewards, punishments, negotiations, and logicking their child into giving up the pacifier and either giving it to another baby or the pacifier fairy or something else. And I don't necessarily like this technique because it puts the decision on the child. And the child is comfortable using the pacifier. They don't ever want to give it up. They won't make that decision unless there's some sort of really strong outside force. So don't ask the child to make that decision. It's your decision to make. Just like it's your decision to have your child wear helmets or seat belts. Your child may not want to do these things, and you are going to have them do it because that's part of keeping them safe. So we're going to take the pacifier away. Tonight's the last night you're going to get to use it. Tomorrow, they'll all be gone. And we're going to use other ways for you to calm your nervous system. And it's going to be hard at first, but you can settle and you can get cozy and you can listen to your body in lots of different ways. What book helps you calm down? What song helps you feel safe and secure? What blanket do you like to snuggle up in the most? Does it feel good to listen to a lullaby and dance with daddy? Does it feel good to sit in this rocking chair and take deep breaths with mommy? You can ask lots of questions, or you can just give some suggestions and alternatives without asking, right? If you think your child's question or answer to the question is always going to be no, then don't ask, right? And when it comes time for that difficult moment, when your child asks for the pacifier and you say, it's gone now, and I know that's hard. It's going to be a tough couple of days, and I'm here to help you. Would you like to? And then you fill in the blank with some of your alternatives. It might seem like your child doesn't want to do any of those things. So you might say, would you like to read a book? Go pick a book out and we'll read a book and calm down together. Or would you like to help me pick out a song that we can dance to? That'll help us feel connected and safe and cozy. And they might just say, no, 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 because all they want is the pacifier. So you will need to decide something, and you will need to move in that direction. You'll need to maybe pick your child up and say, I'm going to carry you to the chair and we're going to rock and cry there together. We're not going to back to the pacifier. We're going to learn some of these other tools and ways for you to calm down. These are tools that you're going to use all your life. You're not going to be able to use your pacifier all your life because it's hurting your teeth and it's affecting your ability to speak and share your words with the world. So we're going to start using some of these other tools. And then the next couple of days, they'll feel more and more comfortable and you'll feel more and more confident. And in the meantime, we're going to help you. So you're providing your calm, supportive presence. You are offering many other alternatives for your child in the moment. And you also have very realistic expectations, right? You know that you're going to feel some guilt. Expect that. You also know that your child is going to give you some pushback. They're going to try to get that pacifier back. And you're going to stay calm, you're going to stay supportive, and you're going to continue offering these alternatives that you know are going to become a foundation for lifelong nervous system support, calming, soothing, and comforting. Good luck with this. I know it's not easy. So reach out with questions or concerns if you have some as you start this journey. I'd love to help you. Thank you.